We have made it to St. Anthony Sand Dunes. We paid our parking. We got Paul here. Paul's here.
About time you guys get here.
It's about time. Let's do this. Let's get him.
Oh yeah, what's up?
We got Clout. We got Clout. It's one of our characters for the week.
Oh yeah.
And then we got Dino. Is this right?
That's
Dino?
right. Dynamite.
All right, let's do this.
Gentlemen.
Look at this. Look at this. Mean, wicked Turbo R.
How you doing?
This is Brent. He's gonna go by Privy probably this week. He's got a lot of white privilege.
This guy here, Jack's told him to take down the Maverick R. He's running, he wants to take down a stock Mav R, Jack Struthers. Carl Cycle Sales, you've heard of him. But these guys are tuned, they got a 40 horse tune on it.
40 horse tune to
40
this.
horse tune, it rips pretty
From
good.
Carl's?
From Carl's. Well,
It's a ripper.
Aftermarket Assassins.
Aftermarket Assassins.
And he's
So this
gonna
is the Aftermarket Assassins crew we found.
Yeah, and he's putting the exhaust on it today. They're coming in hot by tomorrow, is it? What day is it? Today.
Oh,
Hey, you cat out of your town, where are you going?
getting real.
What?
Don't get out of here.
Real.
And then we got the big boy here.
Big boy toys, yeah.
So I talked Clout into these 34 HOs. What are you thinking of them? They are big girls.
Those are big tires. I gotta get some boost tires.
Man, look at those. Those are big boys. I like them.
They're pretty sexy.
I like them a lot.
Adam's thinking about buying, or he's talked to me. He's giving me an offer of 45 so far without the wheels and tires, winch. Is what he's saying. Now he's kind of backpedaling a little bit.
He's backpedaling.
I think
It's not running. Price is getting.
I'll get it run completely.
Okay. Once you fix it, then so the old
He
ether.
ran it at 15, 14 pounds, 13 pounds, and he's like, "Is this 19?" I'm like, "No, this is not even close."
This
He's
is
like,
pedaling.
"Holy-"
That's plenty.
I think this is plenty. That's all I need is 10, 12
Well, there
pounds.
you go. 45 done.
45 done. Can I get a check, money order? What we got? You want to wire the money?
I will say
Adam, what is going on? You're not doing much talking here.
you can't run away.
He's got his Carl shirt. He's got Expert Auto on here.
I need some
What's
auto.
Expert Auto?
Huh?
Oh, just a buddy shop at home.
Oh, okay.
Auto repair.
But we got Carl's here. We got Aftermarket Assassins.
Yeah, in the house representing.
All right, we are gonna rip out the choke and battle it out. We got Jared. He knows the terrain really well. He's gonna run hard. And we're all gonna just try to be in second and see who can be in second the longest. I love battling out and racing through the dunes as we're doing it. little whiskey, as you can tell. We got a little out of hand, just like always, but it was a great time. Love doing it. Only problem is we did lose Brent, so I started popping around looking for him and ended up getting myself stuck up on a hill as we were trying to pop ourselves on top of a hill to look for him. He just texted me. He's already almost to choke, and so we are good to go. We're gonna head out to choke. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. And if you hate the sand in your face, just watch it on YouTube, because I don't mind getting hit with the sand. I treat it as if it's water. It's a great time. Thanks for tuning in. If you'd like to save yourself a couple bucks and make your car a lot faster, go to Pro EFI on their website. 15% off if you type in Desert SXS. So go there. Also, if you'd like a discount on Packard wheels or MTS Offroad suspension parts, we have them on our own website. Save yourself a couple bucks. If you'd like to check out our website, go in the description below, click on more, and then to our Shopify website, and then that's where you can get MTS suspension merch. Also, if you'd like to donate on our Patreon, you're welcome to do that. We really appreciate it. We'd like to keep these videos coming. Give us some love and give us some support. Thanks for subscribing. If you'd like to support the people that support us, RPM has been very supportive of us, and we really appreciate that. Support RPM. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for watching.